Good morning, students. Today, we will start the new lesson, that is second lesson, the pronouns. What is a pronoun? In simple words, we can say pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Example, John is absent because he is ill. In this sentence, we have already talking about John. He is absent. So second time when we talk about John, we use the pronoun he. He is ill. Here the pronoun is he. I read the book. It is very good. We are talking about the book. And when the second time we talked about the book, we used instead of book, it. So it is the pronoun here. Now we will learn about different kinds of pronouns. First one, personal pronouns. Second one, demonstrative pronouns. Third one, possessive pronouns. And fourth one, reflexive pronouns. Fifth one, emphatic pronouns. Sixth one, interrogative pronouns. And seventh, reciprocal pronouns. Eighth, indefinite pronouns. And the last, relative pronouns. Now we'll talk about personal pronouns. The form of personal pronouns, the first person, when in singular, we use I. While in plural, that will become we. And the second person, you in singular and both in plural, you will remain same. And third person, he, she, it in singular and in plural, they. Now we'll learn about uses of it. It is used, first one, for a thing or an animal. Example, I read the book. It is very interesting. The cow is an animal. It gives us milk. First, we are talking about the book. So it is a book is a thing. So we use the pronoun it. It is very interesting. Now the second sentence, we talk about an animal, cow. The cow is an animal and we use the pronoun it. It gives us milk. And when we talk about a small child, also we use the pronoun it. We never use for a baby he or she. The baby is crying, lift it means lift the baby. And third one, for people. In a few cases, example, who is it on the line? We are asking which person is on the line. And second sentence, it's me, Suresh. Who is here? I am here. It's me, Suresh. And the third one, is it Suresh over there? No, it's Mohan. So here in the third sentence also, we are asking who is there? Is it Suresh? But the answer is no, it's Mohan. And who is here? Mohan is here. So we use here also, it's Mohan. And the fourth one is sometimes to express time, distance, weather, etc. We use it. Example, it's 5 o'clock by my watch. So we are talking about the time. And sometimes we talk about weather. It's cold today. So we use it. And when we talk about the distance, it's 500 kilometers. And it's the 4th of July. We are talking about the date of the month. It's 4th of July. And again, we are talking about the distance. How far is it to Lucknow? And again, we are talking about the time. It takes 5 hours to reach Jaipur. Number 5, to introduce sentences. Sometimes when we introduce sentences, we use it. It's I who helped you. It's the trains that were late. It's in the morning that she is coming. It's difficult to cross the rivers. It's a pity she fell ill before the examination. Use of they, them, their. The pronouns they and them can be used with neither, either, no one, someone, anyone, and everyone. Example, who has left their bag on the seat? Neither of them has completed their work. Everyone can be present, can't they? And we'll learn about demonstrative pronouns. They help to point at something or someone. Example, this is my pen. We are pointing out a particular pen. Whose pen it is? This pen is mine. So, this is my pen. And this is the demonstrative pronoun. That is a lost umbrella. We are pointing out the umbrella which is lost. So we are using that is a lost umbrella, and that is the demonstrative pronoun. These are your books. We are talking about a particular set of books. So we are using the demonstrative pronoun these. Now, those are students of the schools. Here we are pointing out a group of students. So we use those, the demonstrative pronoun here, and we make the sentence, those are students of this school. Now we'll learn about possessive pronouns or possessive adjectives. They help to show possession. Possession means on something. Something belongs to someone. Example, this pen is mine. Let me take this example. This pen is mine. I'm telling this pen belongs to whom? It belongs to me. So I'm using the possessive pronoun mine. This pen is mine. That is your pen. So here your is used as possessive adjective. Those shoes are hers. Again, hers is the possessive pronoun. This is our house. Our is the possessive adjective here. That problem is theirs. Theirs is the possessive pronoun used in this sentence. Now we'll learn about the reflexive pronoun. When myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, that is plural, himself, herself, itself, and themselves are used as objects of a verb, and when the subject and the object are the same person or animal, these are called reflexive pronouns. Example, he hurt himself. You can save yourself. We should love ourselves. Why does she deceive herself? They hid themselves behind a bush. Reflexive pronouns can also be used after prepositions. Examples, we should depend on ourselves. I spoke to myself. We can see the preposition on is used before the reflexive pronoun ourselves, and the preposition to is used before the reflexive pronoun myself. Take care of yourselves. She hasn't left anything for herself. Now we'll learn about emphatic pronouns. When myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself are used to emphasize a noun or pronoun. Emphasize means give stress to a noun or pronoun These self pronouns are called emphasizing pronoun. Example, I myself can do it, or I can do it myself. He himself wrote the answer, or he wrote the answer himself. Note the difference. Mala herself met Virat. Mala, not someone else, met Virat. Mala only met Virat. Mala herself met Virat. Mala met Virat herself. Mala met Virat only, not anyone else. Now we have an exercise. So let us see how we will do it. Fill in the blanks with self pronouns. What are self pronouns? Ourselves, herself, himself, myself, herself, himself. All these are self pronouns. Let us see which self pronoun you will use according to the sentence and tell whether they are reflexive or emphasizing pronouns. First one, she will come to you herself. She will come to you herself. Herself you have to fill here and you have to say this is reflexive or emphasizing. And first one is emphasizing pronoun. Second one, I myself heard the cry. So we have filled here myself, and this is also an emphasizing pronoun. Let's enjoy ourselves, that is reflexive. Don't give yourself trouble, and that is also reflexive. He is sitting all by himself, himself reflexive. You never think of yourself, yourself reflexive. They are spoiling themselves, themselves also reflexive. I love myself more than anyone else. Here myself is also reflexive. Sheila can't express herself clearly. Herself here reflexive. He can do everything himself. Himself here reflexive. So with this, we will wind up the class today. Now next video, we will continue the lesson. Thank you.